Space boxes?
Wow! It's raining dollhouses!
Guess the makeover challenge is on.
Oh, I'm so gonna win this.
I wouldn't bet on it, cause I have the perfect renovation plan. You know my motto, it's paint it black. That song is literally my anthem. This is incredibly satisfying. Glitter belongs to everyone, and black glitter will make my roof look like the starry night sky. Hey, it's almost time. Huh? Oh, it totally slipped my mind. You really want to go, huh? Well, here's your ticket. Yay! Thanks! Bye! Have fun! I'll be here when you return.
It's my turn. They say one can never catch a rainbow? Well, watch me! Can't get any better than this!
Whoa!
Now watch! My dollhouse will reflect my colorful personality. Yay! But now it's time! Oh, I see. You want this, I assume. Yep, thanks. I'm out.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Let's just ride.
The chimneys fit the rest of the roof.
I'm going with a more magical vibe. Cute!
I don't think I like this ride. Rockstar energy!
Unicorn luck! Don't worry, I got you!
Hey, a little bling bling wouldn't hurt.
That was so fun!
I know, right?
We're back!
Wow, look at these houses!
You like them?
We've been working really hard on this renovation. Mine looks much better, though.
They both look great. Yoo-hoo! You wanna play?
Sure do.
Catch!
You're really good at this. What's going on?
Looks like they became friends.
I like hanging out with you.
Same. Aw, what a romantic plot twist.
Nah, no way!
Ugh.
No more playing around. A fence will keep you separated.
I can't believe he's doing that!
I don't want to be separated. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Oh, now you can't even see my garden!
Huh? Well played.
Thanks.
I'm not talking to you anymore. No, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I don't accept your apology. I know how I can make it up to you. Look what I got. Wow. I knew you'd like it. Let's park it right here. I want to take it for a test drive. So cool. Hey, check out my ride. Forget her! Here's your lounge chair. And lamps to light up the night. Sorry, I'm daydreaming. Let me look. Wow, I love what you did.
Oh, hang on. I'm thinking of something. Want some refreshment in the meantime? It's strawberry lemonade, your favorite. That was good. And inspiring. I have an idea. Not a single straw will go to waste. Ta-da! Yay! So fun! A must-have for my garden!
Wow, I love seeing her so happy.
Girl, you need a cool ride too. Just don't forget to wear your helmet. Yay! So peaceful. Look at this cutie! Here's a snack for you, little one. Aw, adorable. I don't want to ever leave.
Hilarious. Hey! Hey-oh, yoo-hoo! I got you your own home theater system! A comfy chair to watch movies, and a bed made for punk rock dreams! I could use some sleep indeed. What's that? I'm dreaming of my soulmate. Hey! Some popcorn while you watch something? Good thinking. Oh, this scene is hilarious! Oh, that's my favorite! Sleep, bud. It was a tiring day indeed. In the meantime, I'll make some finishing touches to the decor.
I'm tired. I want to lie down. Right. I'll get to it. Here's a cozy, comfortable, and soft bed for you. Yay! Great! Thanks! And the rest of the bedroom? Worry not, I'm on it. A chic vanity for skincare and beauty routines. And of course, your mini products. My fave is the red lippy. Classic. Plants make every room feel alive. And this will be your reading corner. Yay! I love it! But more importantly, what do you think? So amazing! So us! I'll fix my makeup. You do that, girl. And I'll get to fixing these windows. The new curtains need to fit the rest of the vibe. So, these will be perfect. Shiny, colorful, and dreamy.
Huh? What's that? Curtains? Can't believe I forgot about them. Can't fall behind on this renovation. There we go. Edgy is my middle name. One look at these and you'll know this house rocks.
Here comes the rest of the living room furniture. Each piece adds a little more personality to the space. This room is making me smile already. It feels so cheerful and full of energy. Colorful tablecloths for fun dinner parties. Bold colors. Big statements. Nothing here that won't catch your eye. It'll feel like living inside a painting. Or a fairy tale storybook. You decide. Pop Art Museum internal design achieved! Yep, approved and appreciated. I'll enjoy everything my new living room can offer. I can't stop looking at it. Who's the cutest? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Aww.
What?
Huh? Nothing. The glittery style? Not so much. It's like a vampire library. A few horror stories belong here. Being punk doesn't mean skipping skincare. Tough on the outside, cozy on the inside. All done. Chicken burger, my favorite. Yay, so glad.
We did it! The renovations are officially complete!
This is exactly what I imagined I would do.
Same! I'm so proud of my work.
The contrast between the styles is wild, though.
Agreed! I love how unique they both are. Something's still missing.
Huh? Psst. Come on, help her! Me? How? Okay. Hey, maybe this'll fix that.
Oh, wow! For me? I wasn't expecting that. Thank you, you're so kind. This'll look perfect over here. Yep, it was made for that corner.
Glad I could help.
Whoa!
Your eyes are the most beautiful. Mwah.
A dream come true. I could get used to this.
They're adorable.
They're my favorite couple.
Look.
Bye!
See you later.
Aw. Maybe we could be…
A couple too?
You read my mind.
This is my favorite seat in the world.
Right next to you. Make way! Perfection has arrived. Take it all in. I'll give you a moment. Yes, I'm real, and I'm breathtaking, aren't I? Wow! A surprise gift for me? Yoo-hoo! Oh, it's too loud. I'll be right there. This is how you make an entrance. Learn from the best, aka me. I'll take that. No, I won't let you. It's mine. I saw it first. Ah! Speaking about making an entrance. Hello. Oh, mini versions of us. Hi. Wow, she spoke to me. Hey there. So cute. Our side of the suitcase needs an upgrade. Worry not, I got this. Huh? Hey, trust me. This'll work. I suggest we all take cover. 3, 2, run! Uh-oh! And 1! It worked! Everything is covered in 24-karat gold. Wow! Boring. Now, watch and learn. Your method was so old school. I prefer to use technology. Makes life so much easier. There we go. Paint job done. It looks beautiful! I love the shade of pure gold so much! Great! I'm just getting started. I got that in silver. I have 2. I also have 2. Oh, fine. Let's see who'll do it better then. Easy peasy. Both dollies will have 3 floors now.
Huh?
Oh, I see. The top floor will be the dressing room. A golden girl deserves a glamorous dressing room. It'll be worthy of a queen. A fabulous place to get ready. I have the same scarf in human size. Only the best skincare and makeup products for my little doll. Now the room is truly blooming. And here is the ultimate hair care station. Every day will be a good hair day. A comfy chair is a must. This'll be your throne. Ta-da! So what do you think?
Wow! I'm so impressed! And the scarf is everything! It feels so warm and soft! Oh, but my hair could use a makeover too.
We have a hair emergency! Okay, you definitely need some styling. So many split ends. Do it! I got this. Let's get rid of these first. Now the fun part. I vote for a braid. Like it?
So much!
Yeah, much better.
Huh? I want a dressing room too!
Aha! I'll decorate smarter, not harder. Come on, let's pick the furniture for this room together.
Time to swipe! Maybe? Aha! I love this! Yay! I call this super fast delivery! Every little detail is so chic and fancy! Diamonds are a girl's best friend! Hey! I deserve the best skincare too! Wow! So cool!
Yay! All great choices.
Time for a fashion show! I'm owning the runway! Serving all the looks!
Walk, walk fashion, baby! Strike a pose! Yes, queen! Slay! Gorgeous! Ugh, stop it! Ugh, fine. You complain too much. My eyes hurt. Hey, Dolly Goldie, what you doing there?
Getting all the tea!
You gals need a comfy sofa for that? Hey, your couch has arrived.
Yay! Let's sit! And continue gossiping!
Ladies, let's move those bodies.
Yay!
A couch and a cardio machine both. Nailed it! A coffee table to actually get the literal tea from. A cozy reading corner with a glamorous twist. A few timeless classics and some books a boss lady will need. Now for a touch of warmth. A golden fireplace. Voila! The living room is complete! Oh wait. Now it's complete. Hey, want some s'mores? With all the work we've been doing, everyone can use a snack break.
Besties spending quality time together! Nom, 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 nom. So yummy and chewy!
Let's see your living room. Huh. I need to think. That's it. I know how I'm gonna decorate it. Let's do a vision board first. And here is my interior design plan. Time to turn this into reality. Purple goes so well with silver. I'm going for a sleek, modern vibe. Some cool refreshments. The couch goes here. Gotta have a TV for fun movie nights. A little blue adds the perfect contrast. Let's make this the ultimate fun room! Latest gaming console? Check. They can play together. This room has officially reached perfection! Come on, take a peek.
Wow! My room is ready too! I love it so much! What do you think? Yeah! This could be our funsies room! Who's winning?
Get it, girl! Ugh, they already forgot about my room!
Your fighter is the coolest!
Hey, game time is over.
Aw, okay.
I wanna go back. Aw, I have something even more fun for you.
Yay! I can create viral videos!
That's the spirit. And in the meantime, I'll decorate your hobby room. A little inspiration, a lot of gold. A golden piano? Now that's music to my ears. This one is for a little artistic inspiration. A little brass brings a lot of class. A seat, a cello, and the perfect lighting. This room deserves a standing ovation! Come on, give me an applause!
Yay! I'll play a happy little tune for you. I composed this myself.
Yeah, I'm vibing. Let me play you some real music. Aha! That's right! Oh, hey, you're ruining a private concert! I can't hear you! Ugh.
Heyo!
What's up?
What about my bottom floor?
Right. I'll get to work. Time for something louder, cooler, and unmistakably silver. No music room is complete without a place to perform. A place for your Grammy Awards. And here is the production station. Turn up the lights and cue the music. A little disco, a lot of rock, and zero boring.
The star of the show has arrived!
Okay, backing track ready.
Gonna be silver!
Yeah, you're an amazing singer.
Let's perform together! I'm in! We're the coolest band ever!
Huh? Wow! Yeah!
Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na!
Didn't think I'd ever listen to jazz. Same. But I can't stop dancing to the melody. You're thinking what I'm thinking? Yep. Then let's do this. You got it. The railways complete each other. Choo-choo! Wow! High five! We did it! Every room has its own touch of luxury on my side. And on my side, every room shines with attitude. Exactly as I envisioned. Flawless, polished, powerful, and packed with attitude. The contrast between warm gold and icy silver is mesmerizing. Oh, I couldn't agree more. And what about that railway? That was such a clever idea. Now the real fun can begin. Hop on! And fasten your seatbelts or hold on to something tight.
Woohoo! I can do this all day! Can we go faster?
Can't believe our house has its own railway!
Yeah, it feels surreal.
And my neighbor is my bestie! They're adorable! And are we besties too? We sure are!